boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here. So now we're going to work on some more math with shapes. So we are going to need our My Math book. You are going to need a pencil, and you will need a purple, red, green, and orange crayon. So if you want to just get your crayons, that's okay. So you're going to need red, purple, green, and orange. All right. So we get to learn about two new shapes today. And the pages you guys are going to need out of your My Math book, 629, 630, 631, and 632. So you need those 4 pages, and on the front it says circles and triangles. So we're going to do the front page first. So for our front page, we are going to need red and purple. So Mrs. Hanson's going to show you two shapes. Remember, our shapes are flat, right? Flat shapes. And what shape is this? A circle, right? How many sides does this have? 0. Its sides are round. Can you say that with me? Round. So since they're round, we don't have any sides. What about that big fancy word Mrs. Hanson said yesterday? Do you guys remember it? Vertices. Can you say it with me? Vertices. How many vertices does this have? How many corners? 0. It has 0 sides and 0 vertices because it is round. So our circle has round sides. Now what about this guy? What shape is this? It has 1, 2, 3 vertices. It's a triangle. And what kind of sides does it have? Does it have round sides? No, it has straight sides. So our triangle has 1, 2, 3 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. So our triangle has straight sides and our circle has round sides. Really no sides at all. It's just round, right? All right. So on our front side, I'm going to show you a shape. You're going to draw it and then you're going to color it in. All right. What shape is this guy? Circle. So anywhere on your paper, you're going to draw your circle. And any circles, it wants you to draw that or color them in red. So Mrs. Hanson drew her circle. Remember, you can draw them wherever you want. And just color in your circle red. Okay, next shape. It's a circle again. So draw your circle wherever you want on that front page. And then color it in red, just like that. Next one. We have our triangle, and this has straight sides, right? So we're going to draw our triangle anywhere you want. And our triangles, we're going to color them in purple. So circles red, triangles purple. Next one. Circle again, around. Draw a circle wherever you want and color that in red. And we have one more left. What do you guys think it is? Triangle. So we have our 1, 2, 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3 straight sides for our triangle. We're going to color our triangle purple. So triangles are purple, circles are red. So on the front of your paper, I want 3 circles and 2 triangles. Your circles are red and your triangles are purple. When you are done with that, then we can turn it around. And we are doing the same kind of thing we did yesterday. So at the top, it wants you to say circle, and then what kind of sides? Round sides. How many sides? 0. How many vertices? 0. So let's trace our zeros. And remember, a circle has round sides, 0 sides actually, and 0 vertices. Make sure you trace those zeros. Then for number 2, we have our triangle, and what kind of sides does it have? Straight sides. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3. So trace those 3's. And then number 3, let's see what our directions are. Okay. So number 3, right down here. You guys got to say what shape that is. So name the shape. Describe it. So describe how many vertices it has, how many sides, and what kind of sides it has. Then compare it to the shapes in each group. Circle the matching shapes. So circle the ones that match this shape down here. Name the shape. So what shape is this? Describe it. What kind of vertices, what kind of sides, how many vertices, how many sides. Describe it. Compare the shape to each of the objects and then circle the objects that are the same shape. So circle the objects that are the same shape is that shape. All right, ready? Next page, page 631. We have, what is this shape? Name it, describe it, compare it to these, and then circle the ones that are the same as that shape. Number 6, what shape is this? Describe it, compare it to these, and circle the ones that are the same. Down here, what's this shape? Describe it, compare it to these, and circle the ones that are the same. Easy peasy. Now on the back, we have a whole bunch of different shapes. And what are our 2 shapes? Circles and triangles, right? So here is our directions. Identify the circles and triangles on the fruit pizza. Whoa, fruit pizza sounds good. By coloring the circles green. So this is where you need your other crayons. Color all the circles on the back green. Color all the triangles orange. So all your circles are green, all your triangles are orange. And then you're going to tell whoever you're with how you can tell the difference between triangles and a circle. So how many sides, what kind of sides, how many vertices. So what's the difference between, oh, he's got a capper. He just cannot just be calm, Kenny. Um, so you will have those shapes colored, so I know you guys can tell the difference, and making sure that you are telling whoever you're with what the difference is. So you know the difference between circles and triangles. All right, guys. I hope you have a good day, even though it's rainy and yucky outside, but that is super good for our flowers. And Mrs. Hanson planted flowers yesterday, so I love the rain today because it waters them and it will help them grow, right? All right, guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.